Now let's look at the hemispheres. According to the equator, the world is divided into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And according to the prime meridian, the world is divided into western and eastern hemisphere. Now let's see in which hemisphere is India and Brazil located. Let's start with India. According to the equator, India is located in the northern hemisphere, and according to the prime meridian, India is located in the eastern hemisphere. So we can say that India is located in the northern and eastern hemisphere. Do not write northeastern hemisphere. It is northern and eastern hemisphere. When we talk about Brazil, a small part of Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere. Major part of Brazil lies in the southern hemisphere. And according to the prime meridian, Brazil also lies in the western hemisphere. So we can say that small part of Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere, major part of Brazil lies in the southern hemisphere, and Brazil also lies in the western hemisphere. So now let's move to our important question and answers from this module. Question number 1. In which hemisphere does India lie? India is located in the northern and eastern hemisphere. I have highlighted the important keywords here. Question number 2. In which hemisphere does Brazil lie? A small part of Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere and major part of Brazil lies in the southern hemisphere, and also it lies in the western hemisphere. I have highlighted the keywords, so do let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section. अगर आपको मेरा कंटेंट और एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो do follow me and ask your doubts in the comment section. See you in the next module. Thank you.